Linking your bank to Square for Retail is essential for managing your finances effectively. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Sign into your Square account. Visit the Square website or open the Square app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account and Settings option in the menu. Click on it to access various settings related to your Square account. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Bank Accounts or Link Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the linking is successful. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Square for Retail, allowing for seamless financial management. If you encounter any issues, consult Square's support resources for further assistance.